Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Each day in our life will be filled with a lot of activities. We prioritize them and complete them one by one. The best practice is to create a to-do list and track the progress and mark them as complete as and when it is done. In this video, I'm going to explain you on how to build a to-do list using Python code. To create a to-do list, we are going to use the list in Python. To start with, I'm going to create an empty list named ToDo, and this is going to hold the list of activities that we want to track. I have a while loop that is going to execute for infinite number of times till the user terminates it. This loop is required because the user may create multiple tasks, edit them, and delete the non-required tasks. Inside the while loop, we are collecting the user input, and we have the if condition that will have the logic for each of the defined set of user input. In any to-do list, we really can't validate the text or the number that is given by the user. So in this code, we are going to validate if the input string is a blank space. In that case, we are going to request the user to enter a valid list item. So for this validation, we have a function which is checkInputVal, which will be called after the user enters any value. After any updation in the to-do list, we will print the to-do list items in the output window. And this function print_to_do is going to take care of printing the values. Now let's execute the code to see how the to-do list works. Once I execute this code, I'll get a message which is welcome, go ahead and create your own to-do list. Let's get started. So what do you want to do with the to-do list? Type 1 to add a new to-do list. Type 2 to edit an existing list, type 3 to delete an item, and type 4 if you want to clear all the contents from this to-do list. Since we are going to create this to-do list from the scratch, I'll first give 1. Now it says enter your to-do list item. So I'll first say schedule a client call for project 1. So my first to-do list item got created, which is schedule a client call for project 1. I'll be prompted to again type the option that I want to do on this to-do list. So again I'm going to give 1. So in this case I'm going to add a new list which is finalize the proposal for project 2. So now I have 2 list items which are schedule a client call and finalize the proposal. Again I'll be prompted to type in my value on what I need to do with this list. So I'll say 1. My third to-do list item is going to be escalation call for project 3. Then I realize that the third item should have been escalation call for project 4 and not project 3. So here is the to-do list. First I'll be prompted to enter the record number to edit the list item. So I'll say 3. And the new value is going to be escalation call for project 4. So this is going to be my updated to-do list item. I realized that scheduling a client call is already done for project 1, so I want to delete that particular item. So I'll go ahead and type 3 where I want to delete an item from the to-do list. So it will ask me to enter the record number to delete the list item. In that case, I'll type 1. Here we can see that I will have only 2 items which are finalize the proposal and the escalation call. Say for example, I have completed all these tasks and I want to clear the to-do list item altogether. So in that case, I'll give 4, which is going to return me an empty list saying that the to-do list item is all clear. And this is all about the to-do list item project using the Python code. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos on Python and data science.